3 part number 2. How you will do, simply convert the radical form into exponent form. 25 x 10n y 8m power 1 by 2. It becomes 5 into 5 x 10n y 8m whole power 1 by 2. 5 power 2 10 n will become x 10n y 8n power 1 by 2. Now you are going to multiply the powers. That becomes 5 to multiply by 1 by 2. X 10n multiplied by 1 by 2. Y 8n multiplied by 1 by 2. It becomes 5 power 1 x square x 5 because 2 5s are 10 and y will 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. This is m and this is and then m. So it becomes 4m. So 5x 5n y 4m. This is the answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. And you can share your comments and suggestions in the comment section.